the kapisanan ng mga direktor ng pelikulang Pilipino.
The Best Director Award is given to Director Pepe Doctor.
Maraming salamat po from Academy of the Philippines for this great honor. Gumburza was made by a big barangay of people, and I would like to thank them all. First and foremost, thank you for Student Communications, Father Alfonso, Paulo Rosa, Ericine Tamana, Father Ro Adeliano, and Father Adeliano. Thank you for making this possible. Empress Ventures, Mr. Manny Bangalina, Julie Lasas, Jeff Remilio, CMA Films, Sir Jim Baltazar, thank you so much. I would like to thank, and I share this with the whole cast, our giant ensemble cast, led by our priests, Mr. Cedric Juan, Mr. Dante Rivero, Mr. Dante, Mr. Enchong Lee, and Bill Pascual. Thank you, of course, to my key staff who created the film with me. This is really a collaborative effort. And before I leave, I would also like to thank my partner that I always forget. So thank you to my partner, to my family. And lastly, I would like to thank everybody who has watched the film and continues to watch the film. I hope that the support that we have for each other here really reverberates around, and that we need to keep growing our industry. So thank you to everybody who watched the film, and of course, I dedicate this, of course, to the three priests, because they really are, I think, the first Filipinos, in the sense that it was them who really planted the seed for national identity, and they showed us what unites us as a people. That even if we call ourselves different names and come from different islands, what unites us is a quest for justice, respect for the dignity of every human being, and of course, truth. So, maraming salamat po.
Presenting the Best Picture winner is the President of the Directors Guild of the Philippines Incorporated, Mr. Mark Maylin.
Thank you very much. The Luna Award for Best Picture. Gumburza.
Recognition na ito, ng Best Picture for this year. Maraming salamat po sa mga nakasama namin sa paggawa. Hindi lang ng isang kwento, kundi parte ng pagiging Pilipino natin lahat. Maraming salamat sa MQuest sa pinakaunang nagtiwala at nag-forefront talaga ng script ng Gumburza na way back, pre-pandemic pa. Jesscom, sorry. Nakaman kasi ako talaga sa and also sa MQuest, Sir Jeff Phillips, Jane Lam, MVP, and also sa CMB, maraming salamat sa tatlong malalaking pamilya na to na tumulong para mabuo at mapunta kami dito sa harap ninyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nakasama namin. Siguro po, isa lang po sa relasyon na sinabi kanina nila Director Jose Ramirez, nila Miss Liza Dino. Feel ko napakahalaga ng calling na to na magkaisa tayong lahat para dito sa pagtaguyod at pag-survive ng ating industriya. Gusto ko lang din sana idagdag na kung paano nagsimula yung Gumburza sa amin, na nangarap lang kami dati na mapanood ng bawat Pilipino, lalo na ng lahat ng mga estudyante, ang pelikulang ito. At lahat ng ito ay ginawa namin hindi para sa aming sarili, kundi para sa ating bayan, para sa kumpare, at para sa pagka-Pilipino natin. Kaya feeling ko napakahalaga at para mas maging unified tayo ng mga filmmakers sa Pilipinas, ay gumawa tayo ng mga bagay na hindi lang para sa atin. Yun na po. Salamat, FPP.
Again, maraming salamat, Film Academy of the Philippines. On behalf of our chairman, MVP, MQuest Ventures, Jane, my colleague Shanna, and all the workers, the men and women of our promo and marketing team at MQuest. Our partner, Jesscom, who really initiated this movie, CMB, our director, our cast members, and everyone that worked so hard for this movie. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mag-uwi po.